on it every time.
It's completely different. This one has tape on it, that one doesn't.
As you enter the car, once seated, swing the left bar down to your left for damaged car. Secure always surfaces as you hang all the articles and valuables with a non-rider. For your safety, you must be a minimum of 46 inches in height to experience this attractive culture.
Una vez sentado, baje la barra de manta a su cintura.
Thank you.
Proteja a todos los artículos sueltos como sombreros y gafas. Ahora siéntese y disfrute de su recorrido en el Sand Serpent. Este paseo por su propia naturaleza lleva bastante significado
Welcome to the Sand Serpent. Watch your step.
Pretty close.
As your car comes to a complete stop, gather all personal belongings. Watch your step as you exit to the right and down the ramp. Thank you, and enjoy your day at Busch Gardens.
En lo que su carro llega a un paro total, reúna todas sus pertenencias personales. Vea a su paso cuando vaya a salir a la derecha por la rampa. Muchas gracias y disfruten su día en Busch Gardens.
In order to ride the Sand Serpent. Thank you, and enjoy your ride. Welcome to the Sand Serpent.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.